Right, so I did the best Asian buffet in Torbay, and now I'm in Rock Beer in Exeter. And is this a contender? I think so. So we've got ribs. Oh my god, that firecracker chicken is amazing. I might have to nick a little bit. So there you go, I'll put that there. Amazing. So this isn't their full buffet. This is like a geek night buffet. So you got plain rice, egg fried. I don't even know how to open up. Egg fried. Noodles. Oh my god, they look amazing. Mixed meat curry, always a favourite. Lemon chicken. Boss. Oh, salt and pepper chips. Crowd favourite. King prawn in sweet chilli sauce. Banging. Beef and black bean. And this healthy, weird green stuff that people eat. Actually, I might have to have some. Looks good. Oh, food stacking. Got a bit of ribs there. Bit of firecracker chicken. Bit of curry. Bit of Singapore noodles. What else? Oh, lemon chicken. And there's some prawns hidden under there somewhere. Yum. Let's get this in my face. I'm looking skinny. I think I need some Chinese. Or Hong Kong. That's yum. Go for the curry. I like fried cracker chicken. Sod KFC. This is where it's at.
Things not working. Soda machines are working.
Bang. Prawns. This is a 10. I'm going to go with lemon chicken now, with a little bit of lemon.
What we do?
Banging. 10 out of 10. That's the noisy general, yeah. Best buffet in Exeter. Oh. This is my sorry attempt at stacking, and then I'm sat next to Dave, who, like, look at that. It's like a behemoth. So Jackie's doing well. So and Dave won.
Oh yes.
Or two, depending on how fisticuffs is doing well as well. He's gone for some prawn crackers.
Oh yeah.
Like there's no food waste here. Oh my god, look at this. I've got the smallest plate. Plate number 2, no beef left, but there's still lemon chicken, firecracker chicken, and I thought I'd better have some veg. So I'm going to sign out now. I've got the last 2 prawns. Do you want one of these prawns, Dave? No, go on, take it. I feel bad.
I started off with
So yeah, this is banging. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get through this, but I'm going to make a good effort. Yum. So where are we? Golden Ponds, Rock Beer, Exeter. Banging buffet.